Hello, do you hear me? Can I start the session?
Yes, sir, I can hear you. You can start the session.
Okay, fine. Okay, guys. So day 2. So what is our today's agenda? Means just I want to finish all the basic commands which I left. So did I discuss about the man or info? Man command, info command?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So see here. So what is the command number? How many commands have finished till now?
20.
It is 21 or 22, I think. Means, do you observe my screen, all the screen? Are you watching all my screen? Notepad?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Okay, good. So I think it means 20 commands are finished. Yes. Now means 21. Just 21. About the man command. Next one. So what does man command do? It suppose I don't know the information about any command. So don't worry. No need of seeing your book. Just go on the Ubuntu terminal and just type just opening the terminal. Okay. See here, man is a very important, very powerful command. It is used to know the information about any basic command, basic commands, advanced commands, whatever you want. Suppose I don't know about the ls, I don't know about the cp, I don't know about the mkdir, so you can use that one. Like, so first I'm here, what is the syntax? Man and what is command. Okay, so what happens? Suppose here I'm writing man and ls. What does it do? It gives you all the information about the ls command if you forget. Okay, so I'm hitting the enter key. So here means it shows all the information about ls. Here I discussed only few options to you: ls-l, ls-i, ls-d, like this. Okay, but here you are watching the list -b, -c, capital C, D, F, like. If you see any difficulty, just here, just press H for the help. So H, it gives you information, means how to go forward, how to go backward, how to go forward one window, like this. And but see here, no need of remembering all three. Only you should remember which is used mostly. So here, what happens? So all these are the information about the ls command. Getting all of you?
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty?
Yes.
Very simple.
No.
For any commands, you want the information, full information, just use the man. Okay. And it gives you all the listing about man. Not only ls. Suppose I am using what cp. I want to know the information about the cp command. So means how to use, what is the syntax, etc. Just see. So these are the information. So see, for example, this is a synopsis. This is the information cp. Copy files and directories. Okay. It is not used for the files. It also used for the directories also. So this is the syntax option and source destination like this. Okay, but don't try to remember all things. Okay, only you should remember the few which is used mostly. Okay, suppose I'm giving here what man and mkdir. It gives us again all the information how to use mkdir option directory. Okay, but generally this is the optional part. You can omit this one. Got it, all of you? Okay, so means what? Instead of studying the book, just you should spend time on the man. Understand all of you? Okay, research means you can research using the man for any command. Now suppose here I'm giving you what man. What is the another command? Suppose head, head, head. What does it do? What does it do, students? It gives us what information? All the information about what? All the information about head command. So hitting the enter, yes. How to use it? So what is the name? It outputs the first part of file. What is the syntax? Head option file. What is it? This is the description. It prints the first 10 lines of each file to a standard output, with more than one file precede each with a header giving the file name. With no file or when file is read a standard input like this. Lot of information here I have. Understand? So this is the author. Which is the author?
I think your screen is not visible when Ubuntu screen.
Sorry. My voice is not clear.
No, your screen Ubuntu screen is not visible.
Okay.
I think you didn't share it with all of us.
Yes, sir. I already did that one. Stop sharing just a minute. Already, just a minute. Again, I am doing that one here.
Select the first option.
Sorry.
Select the first option, share option, main screen option.
Okay, main screen. Okay, fine.
Yeah, main screen.
Okay. Oh, this one.
Yeah, first screen, main screen.
Oh, I selected another one. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it is clear.
Yes, now we can see it.
And do you observe my notepad?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, yes, I did the mistake. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So understand all of you about the main. So what is the purpose of main command? When you should use the main command? Very simple. If you don't know any information about any command, just use the main. Just say it is what a great book. You can research on this one. Okay, time to time. Suppose another one similar to the main command. Also, I have what another command 22 similar to this one. I have the another command. What in syntax is same. Okay, it gives the same with a slight difference. For example, here I'm clearing the screen. Here, what info and just give ls means I want to get the information about ls. Same thing. It gives you the more information, more description about that one. So there is a slight difference between what a main and info. Okay. So anyone you can use. So what quit. Suppose I am giving what head info head. Okay. Understand all of you? So it gives you more information about that one. So either you can use the man or you can use the info command. How to use? So it gives you whatever more detail. How to use? Already very simple. Clear? Etc. Suppose I am writing, I'm typing what? Here info. Info mkdir. Obviously, mkdir creates the directories with the specified name. Synopsis, this is the syntax. This is the description, and how to use. Below is the description, etc. Okay. Okay, students. Okay, so see here. And one more thing, you should note down. What? Remember what? E for what? E and Y. Next one, what? F. Next one, FB. So when you should use E and Y, suppose you have the very lengthy description, then it means what? Forward one line, forward or backward. So you should use the E and Y. One line. What is forward? And this is what? One line backward. In the same way, suppose you want to observe page by page, not line by line. So in this case, you should use F or B. F is what? F, one page forward and one page backward. For example, I am showing you. Just remember EY and FB. Okay, just I'm showing that description. Suppose here I'm writing something what not this info but man. What happens here? I'm pressing E. Just observe all of you. What you are watching? I'm pressing the E. What is happening? Forwarding one line, only one line. Yes. And I'm pressing Y. What happens? Miss one line back. One line back. Got it, all of you? E and Y. Remember this.
One line forward.
Okay. Now I'm pressing which one? F and B. I'm pressing the F. What happens? One page forward and B, one page backward. Got it, all of you? Okay. So this is the common. You should remember this one. Okay. EY and FB. EY for the line by line, forward and backward, and F and B for page wise. Okay, page wise. Okay, so this is useful. Next one, just okay. Next one, write down. You should write down another command. 23 command number. This is what IF config. Very important also. Okay, for the it is for which purpose? For getting networking. Sorry. Networking information. Okay. Okay. In the Windows, you have. Let me check my Bluetooth. Is it working properly? Okay. So what happened? What is the purpose of in the window, in the DOS operating system? What you have in DOS? What you have? IP config. But in the Linux, what we have, if config. For example, suppose here I'm typing if config. Okay, what happens? It gives us all the information about networking. For example, what IP address of my system, wireless address, okay, Ethernet address like this, net masking, broadcasting. It gives you all the minimum information, necessary information related to your network concept. Got it, all of you? It is clear, students? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just not. Next one. What we have? Next command is what? You should remember 24. Just ping. Remember the ping command. Ping is used for testing the connectivity. Okay. Suppose just testing the connectivity, whether it means my networking is working well or not. Okay. But how to use it? So here, what is the syntax for this? Syntax is what? Ping. And here you have to use the what? DNS. DNS. Okay. For example, I'm showing on the Linux terminal. Suppose I want to check connectivity to the facebook.com. So what I have to type? Ping, and here facebook.com. Okay. So what is happened? Yes, it is pinging. Means it is well. Got it, all of you? Just testing purpose. Okay. This is what millisecond TTL, time to leave. Okay. Means it is working well. So how to stop this one? How to stop this one? Anyone? Do you hear?
Escape.
How to stop this one? Just Control C. Control C or Control D you can use.
Sir, we can use escape, sir.
Yes. Okay. Understand? So once again, press to use the command. When to, for which purpose? For which purpose? I have
Connectivity.
Testing is for which?
Testing connectivity.
Yes, I have testing the IP address, Ethernet or wireless. And ping is used for whether connectivity is well or not. Okay. Just a minute. Next one. 25. So see here. Once again. Yesterday, I failed to tell you something. When we have just I'm writing the command or list. Very simple thing. When you have the so many pages information in the one file, and I can't see all the pages information at once. In this case, we should use more or less.
Sir, resound is coming, sir, from you.
Sorry, any problem?
Your voice is repeating.
Okay, why so? Can I do miss already 100%? So what is the solution? Means should I purchase the?
Sir, actually from your voice, resound is coming, sir.
Just let me try by connecting the cable, whether it is working or not. Just wait. It is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So what is the purpose of more or less? When you should
No,
use
sir,
when
no.
it is? Very simple. I told you sometimes when you have the so many pages of information, okay, and you want to visualize all, okay, so page by page, so you should use the more or less. For example, suppose a button, first, let me check. Okay, this is the lengthy one.
Class.
Okay, so let me check. But see here, means in this diary I don't have any pages. Means so many pages file. Okay, it's all files having a very short. Okay, so in this situation, it is useless to use more or less. Suppose more. Here I am giving what f2 dot. Okay, there's no benefit. I am watching f2. So when more or less is useful. It is useful when we have the information. Here I am writing. Useful when I have lengthy information is okay. Then you can otherwise okay, fine. Next one command number 26. Just a minute. You can note down. Next password PASSWD. Okay, PASSWD. It is used for changing the password. Used to change the password. Okay, for example, how to use? Very simple. Just simply use that syntax. For example, here password. Remember WD. There is no suppose I'm writing WRD. It is wrong. So just password. Okay. Now here it wants to take my previous password, but here I'm not finding that. Okay, I don't want to disturb my password. Understand all of you? So whenever you want to change the password, just simply use passwd. Okay, and just type your previous password and type the new password. Okay, again you should type the current password again. Okay, which you want. So very simple. Miss, should I show you? Should I show you or miss, because I don't want to change my password. Tell me.
Okay. No need, sir.
No need? Okay, fine. Okay. Next command. Next command is 27 is what? Sorry, anyone asking something?
I think, sir, you can continue.
Okay, give me means 1 to this time. So I will solve my microphone. Okay, let's manage this one. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute, please. Again, I'm trying to connect another cable cord.
We can hear you, sir.
Just
This one is a lot better, sir. Now it is lot better. It's fine.
hardware issue. This is the biggest issue.
We can hear you properly.
Now, do you hear me? It is fine.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
fine, sir.
It is fine.
Fine, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Oh, okay, fine. Let me continue the class. So 27 means previously did I discuss about the sort command? Yes or no? Previously, did I discuss?
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
Okay, no problem.
No,
Okay, okay. So it arranges in the proper order. Proper order. Okay. For example, suppose see here, I have already the file. Okay. So what is the contents of some file? 4, 6, 5, 8, 7, 9, something. Okay, it is not in the order. So I want to I want to get the information in the sorted order. But by default, it goes in which order? Ascending order. In ascending order. Okay. So here, what I'm typing sort. What is the file name? Now,
cat.
what you observe? This information is in the sorted order. Yes or no? Okay. But what happens if I want to get the information about that file? Now it is in the sorted or not?
No.
So what is the purpose? What is the meaning? What difference? Means the actual contents in the file is not disturbed. Remember, actual contents of the file is not disturbed by using the sort command. So when it is useful, it gives you what the output at the moment, but the file is not disturbed. File is not changed. Remember here, just I'm showing here. Note. Actual file contents is not disturbed. Very simple. Okay. Sort is, but see here, what happens? Suppose here I have the another file. What is cat? What is the num? What is the contents here? 12, 15, 18, like this. So, okay, it is in order. It is not in order. So in this case, when you have the more than 2 digit number, then you should use what? Sort. Here I'm writing. Sort -n in that file name. Num. What happens? Understand? So when you have to use the n or without n?
Without n single digit, with n 2 digit.
Sort -n and file name. Okay, this is the syntax. But when you should use having two or more digit number. Okay, remember this. In case of only one digit, no need of using the hyphen n. Okay, so you should be careful. Next one. Just a minute. You name. Okay. 28. What is that one? You name. uname gives you what information about the, let me check, uname. It gives us what? Means about the operating system, which operating system working on. Got it? Information, info about OS. So Linux means category. Okay. Info about category of OS. Yeah. Means category of OS. Okay. Next command. One is what? Host name. Okay, here we have the two variation, host name, and also I have host name CTL. Okay, just see here. It gives you the information about the, full information about the system. For example, host name. What is the information? DKC means system name. DKC virtual box. Remember one more thing. In this selected portion, what is this? What is the DKC and what is the DKC virtual box? DKC is the username, but DKC hyphen virtual box is the machine name. Understand all of you? So DKC is the username, DKC hyphen virtual box is the machine name. So host name gives you that machine name. So here you can write what? Here you can write machine name. Okay, but what about the host name? Host name CTL. What about the host name CTL? Host name CTL. Now see the difference all of it. Means it gives you full information about your physical machine. Okay, means a static host name DKC virtual box, icon name computer VM, because I am running such thing on the virtual machine, that's why. Which is this one, machine ID, boot ID, virtualization, Oracle operating system, Ubuntu, kernel, this one, architecture, this one. Understand? So I hope it is a very clear understanding about host name and host name CTL. Here, we should use what? You explain? What we should use here? Means
More information.
Full information.
full info about the system. Okay, there is no confusion about host name CTL, guys. Clear? Okay. Next, Miss, do you hear me? In comparison
Yeah,
of
sir.
previous one, in comparison of previous one, do you hear me?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So host name CTL clear. First, tell me, all of you practiced my previous commands, which I taught you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. All of you or only few students? How many students are there? Means what? Just a minute. Okay. So it is your duty. Means already you are not the children. So next commands 30. Next commands is what? Suppose already you know about the terms. Yes. Already done. But here, just I'm giving you some more information. First, already you know what does touch command do?
To create a file.
Empty file. But what happens if I want to create 5 files together at once? Then
Touch and file names.
sorry, just touch T1, T2, T3. Okay. This will work or not? What happens? This will work or not? Touch T1, T2, T3.
Yeah, sir.
Yes. What happens? It creates a 3 empty files. But what is our question? What happens if I want to create 30 files? Okay. 30 files. So it is possible to write here T1, T2, T3 up to T30. It is very lengthy. Yes or no? So in this
Yes,
case,
sir.
what is the choice I have? It means I should use like this. Here 1.30. Remember. Totally new things for you. Touch 1.30 within the curly brace. Okay. So what happens here? It will create the 30 files. And what is the name of all those files? File name 1, file name 2, file name 3, file name 4, etc. Last file 30. Got it, all of you? For example, please mute your voice. I'm listening from your side something. Okay. So what happens here? For example, now see a touch. I'm showing you what in the curly brace here. I'm showing 1.10, only 10. What happens, guys? What happens, guys? It creates how many files?
10 empty
10
files.
files, 10 empty files, and see whether it is yes, it is created here. So it is useful or not, and how to use. It is very simple. Understand, all of you? That's
Yes, sir.
curly brace.
Yes, sir.
Just write on. Okay, in the same way, suppose what? Suppose in the same way, 31. Also, you know about the what mkdir. Yes, already you know about this one.
Yes, sir.
Done. But again, new things is what? What happens if I want to create a 50 directories together? In this case, what means we have to follow the same option. What is that one? Means within the curly brace, and here just give the name. What is?
1 dot dot.
Suppose a dot dot. Suppose what m. What happens? I'm writing in the capital A dot dot m. What happens, guys? It will create
From
so
A
many
to M
directories.
folders.
But what is the name for those? A, directory name A, directory name B, directory name C, etc. Directory name M. Okay, so here, let's see the content. Yes, these are the content. Now, mkdir, what is here? A dot dot M. What happens? Hit enter. Yes, it is created so many things. Got it, all of you? Guys, it is
Yes, sir.
Yes,
simple
sir.
or not? And it is useful.
Yes.
Okay. Must practice all of our commands. Okay, fine. So you have the sufficient information about this. Next one, suppose I want to know the information about the any file. It is the ASCII file or it is the binary file like this. So in this case, you should note down what, just give the another one, 32 command. That is what file, simple file. Here, object. Object. File object. Object, what do you mean by object? In the Linux, okay, object is anything, whether it is file, whether it is directory. So when you should use the file command, just to know the what basic information about that object. Okay, for example, just here I should note down what it displays the type of that object. Type of that object. Okay, that's all. For example, suppose I have so many things here, ls-l. Yes, too many things. Suppose I want to know the means what about f2.txt. So here what I have to write, file f2.txt. But it gives us the information. It is of ASCII text. Understand? Suppose here I am writing what file. Now I am giving the directory name. Suppose dir1. In this case, it is the directory. Got it, all of you? Right? So when you should use the file command, just know the information, basic information about that object. It is of the ASCII type or it is the directory. Clear? Okay.
Sir, that dot text file is there, no, sir? Like that extension when we should use, sir?
No,
Like
sir,
only for
you are
text
confused.
files.
See here. Actually, what happens? .txt file means it is of the ASCII, means it contains the information in the ASCII format. But in case of directory, it is simply the directory. Just it won't give you all the information, just slight information which gives you, whether it is a simple file or whether it is the directory. Got it? Got my point? Only this information, whether it is the file or whether it is the directory. Okay, you should.
No, sir, I'm asking. No, I'm asking like you have written dot text file, no, sir? Like dot text.
Yes,
So
that also belongs to
extension.
the ASCII. That also belongs to the ASCII. See,
Okay, for text files we need to include that, sir.
no. So see here in this list, I have what? I have the num. I have the num2 also. I have f2.txt. Means all these three are of the same category. Which category? ASCII text. Whether it contains, it doesn't matter whether it contains number or whatever, but it belongs to the ASCII. Suppose here I'm writing a file and which one? No. ASCII text. Got it, all of you?
Okay.
Clear? Don't be confused. Next one. See, remember, very simple. Only I want to know it is belonging to what file or it is belonging to the directory. That's all. And which category in the file, it won't give you the information. Got it? For that, we have to use the another command, which I didn't teach you. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your good name?
Philip, sir.
Sorry?
Philip.
Okay. Okay, fine. Next one. So I hope it is sufficient, but 32, 33 commands. Now, already I have discussed about which one? WC. It is also done.
So for empty file also it shows like a ASCII text only, no?
Yes. Let me check here. Don't worry. Which is the empty here? So many empty file T1 is empty. So here I'm showing file T1. Oh, sorry. I did a mistake. Well, it is showing the empty. Got it, all of you? Clear?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't contain any information. Okay, so it is useless to say it is of the ASCII. Yeah. Okay. Next one.
Sir, like I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, sure. Tell me.
Sir, like in C, we will write program and we will use extension like .c, right?
Yes.
For C programs in
Yes.
normal
Yes.
voice. So here, like you said about so many other files, like you have binary files and so many other files, right? So
Yes.
for that also, for binary files, like how to we should.
See here, Miss, you can check in case of that one binary file. What is the binary file? Means if you're writing C program, its extension is what .c or .cpp. I can't say this is the binary file. What is the binary file actual? Whenever you want to
Constant
compile
zeros.
that file and you have the
Machine
execute,
language.
that is belonging to the binary file. What is Miss, see here, .exe type. Okay, that belongs to the binary file.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Got my point? You can check that one. Okay, writing the C program and just compile that one and see using the file what happens. In that case, it should show you what it is of the binary file. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see here once again, WC already I finished. Yes, but here, what is the variation here? What is the variation here? WC, what is the variation here? Means what? File. This is the syntax, yes or no? It gives you what? Already you know. But here,
It
also
counts.
you can use WC hyphen W file name. Also you can use WC hyphen L file name. Also you can use WC hyphen C and It is the common sense. Can you answer? Very simple. Miss W, see here on the top WC file name, it gives you what?
It counts everything.
Yes,
Word,
everything,
letter.
everything. Suppose here WCF2.txt means 12 is what? 460 is the character, 94 is the word.
Number of lines, words, characters.
But I don't want every information. Then in that case, it is useful here. I should note down what? -W. Sorry. Yes. Next one. L. It gives us what? Line number. Next one. I am writing here C. It gives us what?
Character.
Got it?
Character.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Next one. 34. Write down also about the what? Shutdown. Okay, shutdown. So what is the actual syntax for this? Actual syntax is what? Shutdown, and here
Sudo int 0.
hyphen option. Option, and here plus sign, here what you should give, here what? Time. Now see, this is the syntax. Understand all of you? So, it's the actual syntax. Sudo, shutdown hyphen option plus sign time. Means in case of option, what is the option here? Option means what? Option means what? Suppose, for example, R. R means what? Reboot. R means what?
Reboot.
Reboot. Reboot. And time means what? Here. Time means suppose, yeah, I'm giving 5. What is the meaning of this one? In minutes. In minutes. Okay. So what happens? And see here, but I don't want to execute such commands. What is shutdown? Here hyphen R, and what is here? Plus 5. What happens here? Apply the common sense. My system will be
Reboots.
shut down, not at this time, but just after 5 minutes. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to shut down immediately. So in this situation, you must follow such syntax. Okay. Okay. So here I'm typing. So what happens? Just it is waiting for the 5 minutes. Okay. But suppose I don't want to wait for that one. Means I want to cancel this one. So what I have to use? Oh, sorry. Why it is shut down? Why it is shut down? Okay. It should shut down after the 5 minutes. Don't worry. Might be some key maybe pressed. Okay. Okay. And see here, what is the another option? Instead of R, suppose I don't know another option. Already you know. Already you are the master. By which command? To know all the options for any commands. How to know?
Man.
Man
Man
command.
command.
Yes, yes. Man is the that is the what? Suppose that is the Google. Okay, using the man. Okay, you can know all the information about that one. Let me check that. But don't worry why my system is shut down immediately. I don't know. Okay, but that is the syntax. That is the true syntax. You should stick to that one. Okay. Understand about the shutdown? All guys? Okay. What I'm going to show you? What I'm going to show you? I don't know another option. So what is the command? Man, and here just that one. Shutdown. Okay. It gives you all the information. like this. Okay, this is the option, this is the time, this is the word. So you can study this one to get all the info, but don't try to remember all such things. As for the whole, R, see here, very simple. All things are mentioned here very clearly. H is for the whole, P, power off, R, reboot. Power off means what? Just shut down the system. H, power off unless voltage adjusted. So many things. Okay, but don't remember all things. Okay, fine. Next one. Next one, 35. Already, again, I think you know about this one. Init. And which number here? Number. Init, that number. Number is what? Number is 0 to. Number is 0 to 6. 0 to 6. What is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? I will explain in the another topic. Okay, but in this time, just remember, means you can use what? Init 0 or init 1 or init 6. But for this moment, just I'm showing you init 0. Number 0 is used for which one?
Shut down.
Yes, immediately shut down. And init 6 is for which purpose? Init 6 is for which purpose? Rebooting. Rebooting. Got it, all of you? Should I execute this?
But we need to use sudo, no, sir?
Yes, that is common thing. Okay, that if you face the difficulty, just mention sudo or go in the administrative prompt. Okay, just here you can mention what. Must use sudo. Okay, fine. So 35 done. What is the next one left? I think I almost completed, only few each left. File finished, WC finished. Okay. Next, very important. I'm giving you what about the grep command? 35. Not 35, 36. About the grep command. GREP. Grep command. Very, very powerful this command. Okay. So what is the purpose for this one? It searches.
So what about init 1?
Which one?
Init 1.
Init 1. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not miss. We must not use such thing. Okay. We should use only 0 and 6. Either immediately shut down or rebooting. Okay. But I will explain what is the purpose of 1, 2, 3 in the another session. We have some theoretical concept about that one. We have for this moment, just remember we have the 6 run levels. Okay, run level 0, sorry, 7 run level. Run level 0, run level 1, run level 2, like this. And what is the run level? I will discuss in that topic. Got it? Okay. So it searches something. It searches something in the file. Okay. So suppose I have one file. Okay, this is very lengthy file, and I want to sum a word. Okay, in that file, whether it exists or not. If it exists, then where this locates. Got my point? So grep command is a very useful for searching purpose. For example, and how to use this one? What is the syntax? What is the syntax for this one? Syntax. Syntax is what? Grep command here. See here, anything which you want to sort, and here what? File name. Got it? So this is the syntax. Grep. Anything means what? You want to search a word, you want to search character, you want to search anything. So just mention this one, and in which file you want to search, give that file name. So it displays that one. It displays all such lines which contain that your information. Got my point? The grep command displays what? I mean, so should it display all information? No, it doesn't display all things. It only displays such lines which contains your desired what information. For example, this is done. So for example, suppose here I have what I have. I have why students are late. I don't know.
Sir, like we don't have clarity about time, sir. So
No, this
if you would have
already
mentioned in
that is
the
no. That is a means done yesterday 10:30. 10:30 is your scheduled time daily. Yesterday that was the initial. That's why I took in the afternoon session. So
Some people were not.
sorry, tell me please.
Some people were not added in the new groups, so they didn't get the
No,
link.
that is created.
I also didn't.
No, that is created. Just consult management already in the
Yeah,
WhatsApp.
sir. Some people are not added in that.
Okay. Fine. So
Yeah.
tomorrow onwards, don't miss the class. Okay, so be careful. And if I make some changes, okay, so immediately I will put that information in the WhatsApp group. From my side,
Okay.
there won't be any mistake. Okay, from management side, just
okay,
you should this is okay. So see what I'm going to teach you now. I forget which command I'm going to discuss.
grep.
Grep, yes, grep command. So for all of you, understand the first, what is the grep, for which purpose you should use? Searching purpose. What is
To
the
search a
Many
character.
information.
yes, searching something in the what in the file. Okay, what is the syntax? Very simple. Grep, what you want to search and in which file. Just mention that file. Very simple. Okay, so I'm showing that one. Suppose first let me check the contents of any file. What is suppose I'm taking f2.txt. What is the contents? Okay, observe all of you. This is our file contents. Which file this is? Which file? This is the f2.txt. Now here I want to search what I want to search. Suppose dir1. I want to search dir1. Now you tell me. Means how to use such syntax. First, grep, yes. Next, you tell me, please.
dir1.
dir1, yes.
dir1
Next,
f2.text.
yes. In which file you want to search? Very simple. Now, observe all of you. How many lines you get the output? Only 2 lines. Yes or no? So as I told you, means what it displays only such lines in which your desired searched information is present. Got my point? How many total lines here in the actual file? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lines. In 11 lines, only it is showing 2 lines because these 2 lines contains the such information dir1 and dir1. Got it, all of you guys?
yes
It is
sir
clear note? Okay. So in this way, you can search using the grep command. Okay. If you have doubt, you can mention me. Okay, no problem. Next one, grep is done. Also, suppose I'm using this one, ls-l. What does it do? Yes. Now, what I'm doing here, ls-l, grep, it should work or not. Grep, suppose f2.txt. Yes. No such hello. Okay. This should not work. Grep. Okay, this is not working. Don't try in this way. Right. Next command. So grep is finished. Again, I will discuss about the grep here, but today let me finish the most common commands which is left. Next one. Sort finished. Shutdown finished. Password finished. L. Okay. Next one, very important things. I am showing that one. So all these are the basic one. So here, command number 37. This is the concept. Okay, this is not the what. This is the concept. This is not the command. Remember. So concept for which one? About pipe. Very, very important things. So see here, guys, just concentrate here, all of you. As I told you, pipe is not the command. Okay? Pipe is not the command, it is the concept. Very powerful things. When you should use the pipe, what benefit I should get? I'm showing all such things here. So see here, means what is the general concept of pipe? What is the general meaning of pipe? What figure comes in your mind, guys?
Flow of anything.
Yes, flowing, something flowing. Means it has the two ends. Yes or no? It has the two ends. Pipe concept is what? It has the two ends. It has the two ends. Okay, one is called what? One is called what?
Source and destination.
Don't say source, input, and another is what? Output. Okay, means from these two ends, something is supplied from another end, and that supplied thing is taken out. Yes or no? Okay. In the Linux here, what is the symbol here? What is the symbol? What is the symbol? Symbol is this one. Okay, using the shift above the enter key, you have the pipe sign. Already you know. Yes. So this is the symbol. And how to use this one? First, see what is the purpose of such pipe in the Linux. Okay, I'm showing you. First, let me open this one. ls-l. Okay, this is the information. Observe all of you. What is the contents of dir1? This one. Information ls-l. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, listen carefully, all of you guys. Means I want to store such information in some file. I want to store such information in some another file, so that means I can get whenever I want. Means I don't want to use the ls-l command repeatedly. Got you all of my guys? See here once again. Means see here, each and every command gives the output. Yes or no? Each and every command gives us what? Output, some information. Oh. Yes. Now what I want to store such output in some file. Understand? So in this case, pipe is very, very useful. Means using the pipe, I can store any such information in some file. For example, here I'm writing you. First, I'm showing that. Let me execute here. ls hyphen l. Yes, and here just use the pipe sign. And in which file you want to store? So here cat this one and what which name? My backup, my backup, my backup dot txt. This is the syntax. Remember all of you. Very simple, and don't be confused, guys. Observe the syntax, and there is no pipe keyword. There is no pipe commands. Pipe is the concept. It has the symbol like that. And how to use? Observe carefully. ls-l pipe sign and cat greater than sign, that one. And all of you say, see here, don't be confused. First, what is the meaning of left side and what is the meaning of right side? You explain me, please, guys. What does this first command, left side
Left
command?
side is a command.
Yes, it gives
It
us
shows
what? It gives us
list of the
the above output. Yes. And what is the purpose of right command, RHS command? Don't mix all together. Purpose of this is
it copies that output into another file.
no. First, what is the purpose of this right set command? It will create the file, and you have to type something. It is the concept, yes. Now, but here in this case, it won't type. But what happens? The output of ls-l simply is stored, means copied in this file. In which file? My backup.txt. For example, here I'm hitting the enter. What happens? Enter. Yes, this is done. Now see here. Do you observe another file? What is the name of this one? My backup.txt. Now see the contents. What is the contents of this one? How to see the contents, guys?
CAT
Yes, CAT, my backup.
backup.
Yes. Now see the contents. It contains all above information or not? Guys, this contains.
Yes, sir.
It contains the output of ls-l or not? Yes. Understand?
Yeah.
So very useful or not? So you can use the pipe. So this is the concept. So let me go on my notepad. Let me go on my notepad, and what happens? Yes, here I'm writing what? So its syntax is what? How to use? Miss, I'm giving the example. Yes, I'm giving the example. So ls-l pipe sign, and here cat this one, my pipe, my backup.txt. Got it? So many things. Suppose I want to write another things. Means here ls-l pipe cat greater than sign my same backup.txt, etc. Sorry, just a minute. Both are the same. So here I am omitting this one. Now what happens? Can you explain? Just apply the common sense, guys. First, once again, these are the contents about ls. And what is the contents of my backup already you know. So here ls pipe sign and cat greater than sign my backup. First, all of you tell me what should be the, if I hit enter, what should be the output? Apply the common sense, guys. You know the concept about the pipe. And see here, once again, what is the concept of pipe? Here, means something you are storing, something you are supplying in the one end, yes? And from the another side, you are taking that. This is the concept of pipe, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Same concept. Here, I have the two things. In the LHS left side, I have the commands. In the right side, also I have the commands. But in the middle, I have the what pipe symbol.
Pipe.
What's the purpose? Very simple. First LHS command output produced. That output is stored into the second one. Understand? Now later you can watch that one. So what happens if I hit this one? If I hit this one, what happens? Now see, what is the contents of that one? Cat, my backup.
Backup.
Okay. So see here, something traveling me. What you are watching the difference? Previously already I have some information in the backup.txt file, yes or no? But do you
Yeah.
observe? But do you observe the previous information?
No, sir.
No.
No. Why? So what mistake I did? Can you apply common sense? Already you know, I discussed, you know, you can know. What I did the mistake, not mistake, I did that deliberately for you, for showing you. So what is that mistake?
Double.
Yes,
You
fine,
should,
excellent. That is the
yeah.
main point. Say here, guys. Means I
Greater
am
than sign
using
double.
the single greater than sign. Already I discussed in the previous class. Single greater than sign, double greater than sign. When in this case, what happens? Any new information is overwritten.
Over.
Your previous is lost. So this is the mistake generally done by the common students. So what is the solution? What should have I typed? I should have used
Double greater
what
than.
double greater than. Yes, fine. So again, I am doing that one first. First, what I am doing here? First, let me execute this one. Just a minute. ls-l. Yes, previous one. Okay, fine. Now, what is the content? See the contents. My backup. Yes, this is content. Again, what is the output of ls? Simple ls. This one. Now, I want to append this output into the previous one. Now, you tell me. You tell me the syntax. ls, simple ls, pipe sign, and cat double greater than
Double
sign.
greater than
My
file.
backup. Yes, this is the correct one. Now, see the contents. What is the contents? Cat my
Yeah.
Backup.
this one. So what you are observing? This is your previous information, guys. Yes or no? This is your previous
Yeah.
information, and this is the latest information which you appended. Okay, so you should be very careful how to use the pipe. So I hope, guys, all of you have the basic concept about the pipe. What is the pipe? What is the syntax? How to use and what benefit we should get? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, and you must practice on these things. Okay, but I will demonstrate so many examples in the later class. So what means for the today it is enough. Means I'm going to stop the session. Okay, so here today how many commands? Today how many commands you have learned?
37.
Here I'm also writing that one. So this is wrong. So this is wrong. So what is the? This is wrong.
Sir, like, can you just go through those first 5 commands, or like we can later?
Please. Here and here I am using what, etc. Yes, tell me guys, what you were asking me.
Sir, like first 5 commands, can you just go through, sir? Like we came late.
First 5 commands.
Like man, yes, sir. Man, info, config, ping.
Info, I have config and ping. Okay.
Yes.
So can I show you tomorrow in the tomorrow session before
Okay,
starting the session? Okay.
Okay.
So today I discussed how many commands. So see here this chart.
17.
Yes, tell me. Tell me, you have any?
17 coming. No, sir.
Okay. So today I discussed from 21 man, info, ifconfig, ping, more or less I didn't discuss. I will explain, show you. Password, sort, uname, hostname, CTL, touch, mkdir in different way, file, wc in different way, shutdown in different way, init in different way. Okay, grep is the new things, pipe is the new things for you. So I hope it is enough for you for the practicing today's commands. Okay, tomorrow I may start the new topic, totally new topics. So any query or any question you can ask me very frankly, either in the WhatsApp group or in my email ID, or or in emergency case, you can call me also, no problem, without any hesitation. Can I stop?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
One
Tomorrow also
suggestion.
same time, sir.
Yes, yes, same time. So here I am writing that one. Means
Sir, one suggestion, sir. Can someone help out how to install Ubuntu from VirtualBox?
yes, yes, yes. Okay, see here.
Well, that will be very helpful. In fact, most of them we did not install it.
Definitely, Miss. In this scenario, I can cooperate you. Okay, Miss. Just take the system and what, Miss. I give you the instruction. Just you follow that one.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
will teach you how to install the virtual machine, and on that virtual machine, how to install the Ubuntu. But you must
Yes, sir.
have previously ISO file. Got it? My point? Because
Yes, sir.
at that time it will take so much time, and I don't want to waste my class time. Okay, so first take the ISO file, then I will cooperate you. Either Miss Telephonic, I will cooperate you. But all
Okay.
students should hear it. It will be fine. So see here once again. Just a minute. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. What is the day tomorrow? Saturday.
First.
Saturday. What is the date?
First. May.
First. May 1st.
First one.
May 1st.
1 May
Holiday.
21. What is the timing? Same time. That is 10.
30.
10.
30.
Got it, all of you?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So don't miss. So meeting you tomorrow, and I hope all of you must practice the 2 days session commands. Okay. If you miss, if anyone missed the previous one, so it is your responsibility to check all previous commands. Okay. But before starting session, within 5 minutes, I can, if you request me, I can execute the previous commands. No problem. Who is this one? Samsung. Enter the waiting. Who is the Samsung? In this time, he's entering. What is the way? Who is Samsung? So can I close the session, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Is it clear?